Donovan Mitchell, ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, so Donovan Mitchell, d.o.n issue 2, Adidas Marvel box. This thing's badass. Like, just look at all the different designs, different characters. I think it's super dope that Adidas got this contract with Marvel. That way they can actually use all their characters and all that good stuff. Yeah, this shoe is the... What's the colorway? What's the colorway? Oh, man. Honestly, I forgot.
Murder on my mind.
And bam, the d.o.n issue 2 in this bright lime green colorway. I honestly can't remember what this colorway is called. I'm just not on my A game today. And honestly, I'm not even gonna look it up. It's the bright green colorway, you can't miss it. It's gonna be in the title of this video, so it is what it is. This model though is super insane to me. I do think it's a lot better than the d.o.n issue 1s. The d.o.n issue 1s were very bulky and bottom heavy, and I just didn't like it. I didn't like the fact that it was a bulky shoe in a low top version. Now this one does seem to be a little higher. I'd say it's more of a mid type of sneaker, and it's not that bulky, which I do really like. Now you do have a pretty bulky heel section, but it's not nearly as bad as the d.o.n issue 1. As far as performance, the d.o.n issue 1 wasn't that bad when I tried it out on court. It really wasn't that impressive either. I definitely didn't want to play multiple games in that shoe. I might end up trying these on court, seeing how I like them. I'm not gonna lie though, this bright green color is just a little too much for me. I just don't even know what I would match it with. I just feel it's a little too loud. It's a little too loud, and I don't know. It reminds me of like a Grinch colorway or like throw up. I actually really like the model. I want to see some better colorways of this shoe. So far, all the colorways I've seen are pretty loud and have a lot of neon colors, which I'm just not a big fan of. I want to see some like black and white colorways, some reds and blues, stuff like that. Now the design on here is super dope. You got a lot going on. You got some mesh material up here in this little like spiky form. You guys can see the red line underneath. Green mesh up in the toe section. You have some added stitching for some support. Plus it gives a cool little look. And you have some leather on the inside. Nothing high quality, pretty standard leather for a basketball shoe. Section, you have this padded, little riveted mesh-like material. I don't know what to call it. You got the Spider-Man logo right there. It does come with these green and red laces. You guys can see Spidey written right there on this little tag. Adidas in red up at the top. You do have a lime green lining. Red insole with the Marvel Adidas logo. You have more of a mint green type midsole with this like piss yellow green translucent outsole. Honestly, not a huge fan of this outsole. I like it has the designs underneath. I just don't like the color they chose for this translucent outsole. I just think it looks kind of dirty and old, which isn't really appealing in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe, the d.o.n issue 2. What do you think of this lime green colorway? I'm not a huge fan. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.